In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to keep your Microsoft Teams status active without relying on any third-party software. This is a great solution if you need to ensure your status appears as available while you're working or during those important meetings. So let's dive in and explore how you can easily achieve this. To start, it's important to keep the Teams app open and active in the foreground on your device. This essentially means that the Teams window should be maximized and visible on your screen, making it the primary application you're interacting with. Having it prominently displayed helps in maintaining your availability status, because Teams is designed to mark you as away when it detects inactivity. Keep in mind that this visual cue not only helps you stay engaged with your coworkers, but also signals that you're fully present in the collaborative workspace. Next, take a moment to check your personal status within the Teams app. You'll want to click on your profile icon, which you can find in the upper right corner of the application. From there, ensure that your current status is set to available. This might sound straightforward, but it's a crucial step because sometimes your status might automatically change to away or busy without you realizing it. Taking this momentary pause to confirm your status will provide peace of mind that you're signaling the correct availability. Now, let's address a common pitfall: device sleep settings. If your computer or phone goes to sleep, it might cause Teams to mark you as away, reflecting inactivity. To prevent this from happening, consider adjusting your sleep settings to ensure your device remains awake for a longer period. On most computers, you can achieve this by clicking on the Start menu and searching for Power, Sleep, and Battery Settings. Once you're in the correct menu, navigate to the Power tab and look for the Screen and Sleep options. You'll want to select these drop-down menus and adjust them to Never Status. By doing this, you're basically instructing your device to stay on and responsive at all times, ensuring your Team's status remains active as well. Remember, the aim is to create an environment where your digital presence reflects your true availability to your colleagues, and by following these steps, you'll be able to do just that without the need for any extra software. It's all about optimizing your current settings to support your workplace engagement. I hope these tips make it seamless for you to maintain an active status on Teams. Thanks for watching, and happy collaborating.